I'm Marie with Sublistar. Hear that? Ah, the faint jingle bells in the distance. Yeah, Christmas is coming. What means it's a really good time to prepare your Christmas prints. Holidays are the most important time for sellers to print on demand. And I know, it's a really great feeling to prepare everything in advance. Here we are to help you to get ready before Santa Claus leaves. Whether you are doing seasonal promotions or looking for the ways to increase Christmas atmosphere, or maybe just getting ready to enjoy your holidays, go ahead this video, make some Christmas gifts with Sublistar DTF printing. Today we have prepared 6 DTF printing Christmas ideas: throw pillows, canvas bags, socks, t-shirts, baby onesies, sweatshirts, and some Christmas stockings.
First, we use the latest model Star 4 DTF printing machine to print some Christmas patterns. Shake, powder and dry. Cut out the pattern one by one.
Throw pillows.
Another item that is popular with home design lovers is the throw pillow. Among throw pillows design, patterned pillows is the simplest and most pleasant design. Finding a good pattern design is a good place to start.
Canvas bags.
Canvas bag is a product that is sometimes overlooked, and we think it deserves more love. The holiday is a good time to try this product. Popular canvas bag designs include floral and wild animal designs. At Christmas, deer is a great design.
T-shirts.
T-shirts are the classic choice and the most versatile way to match it. Layer them with a cozy cardigan and scarf, or you can layer them over the blazer for a more casual look.
Sweatshirts and hoodies.
Like t-shirts, sweatshirts and hoodies are one of the best holiday gift ideas, especially for those living in the northern hemisphere, the US, Europe and in general. Winter is hoodie and sweatshirt season, so you might want to consider the sweatshirt and hoodies design that resonate with your target audience the most.
Baby onesies.
Baby onesie is a warm welcome gift for new family members or a gift for expecting parents. And baby onesies are obviously the best for your Christmas elves.
Socks.
No Christmas decor is complete until stockings are hung by the chimney with care.
I hope you got some inspiration for your own Christmas ideas. Christmas clothing, decoration or accessories are top hits every year. People buy them for themselves, for their families or their friends. That's why now it's the best time to start your own printing business before biggest shopping season. Alright, that's gonna for Personalize your Christmas with Sublistar DTF printing. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, like and subscribe our channel. Have a nice day.